Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Tory Burch taps into Jamaica for summer collection splash visuals.
We're in Jamaica. Woo! Love you, Tory Burch!
As the name suggests, American model Alex Consani can be seen making a big splash in the campaign, which also features Sasha Quimby. The visuals were shot at GoldenEye in racecourse Oracabessa. Now, Ziggy Marley honors father Bob Marley with his latest track, Many Mourn for Bob, from his forthcoming project, Brightside. Speaking recently on American talk show The Jennifer Hudson Show, the multi-Grammy award-winning singer revealed that he felt a deep connection to his father through the track.
When I was doing the song, I felt connected to him deeply. And I felt like his voice was coming through me in a way. This was also his song, not just my song. And it kind of does give us that, my father went through a lot. I know everybody see him as a big star and a big legend, but he went through a lot emotionally. And I've connected with that a lot. Since I've gotten older, I've connected with him on that emotional level and what he went through.
Yeah.
You know, it wasn't all hunky-dory, or, you know, he went through a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm feeling that emotional connection to him, and I think that song represents that.
The 8-track project titled Brightside marks Ziggy's 9th studio album.
But Brightside, you know, when you start writing songs, you really don't know what the album is going to be or what it's going to be about until you reach a certain stage of it. So at one stage I reached when I was like watching the news one day, and I felt down. I was in a kind of funky mood. What was going on in the world, the divisiveness, the war. And I wrote a song called Why Let the World Trouble Me. And that kind of gave me the idea of what Brightside is going to be. It's really a song to uplift me personally out of this heavy funk that I was in. And I hope that it can uplift other people to get us out of this negative energy that is so much in the world, you know.
Shaggy earns his second Billboard entry of 2026 with Looking Lovely featuring Robin Thicke. The track, which is featured on Shaggy's 18th studio project, Lottery, debuts at number 40 on the Billboard Rhythmic Airplay chart.
Me love the way you walk. Me love the way you talk. You're looking good, me walk. Shaggy!
Might I say that you look lovely this evening? You're beautiful.
Now, early this year, the Grammy Award-winning artist earned his first entry with Boom Body, a collaboration with Idonia and Akon, which peaked at number 28 on the same chart. Boom Body, Boom Body. Now, on the international scene, Taylor Swift, Jay-Z, Bad Bunny, and more make the New York Times list of 30 greatest living American songwriters. The list was reportedly compiled by 250 music insiders and 6 New York Times critics, bringing together songwriters whose music has been among the most popular and influential over the years. Dolly Parton, Mariah Carey, Stevie Wonder, Missy Elliott, Lionel Richie, Young Thug, Kendrick Lamar, and Lana Del Rey were also included, alongside several others whose music has defined what half a century of national life sounds like. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.